At Luxury Cleaning, we believe every home is unique, so every clean should be too. That's why our process is designed to give your home the attention and care it truly deserves. We begin with a detailed inspection, taking the time to understand which areas need the most focus, whether that's a stubborn kitchen buildup, or a delicate surface that requires special treatment, or even high traffic areas that deserve extra care. Based on this inspection, we will create a detailed and personalized checklist to ensure that all of your needs are accounted for. After each clean, we will leave this completed checklist behind for your review. Once we know what your home needs are, we carefully select professional-grade, surface-safe products to match. We will bring all of the cleaning supplies needed, and there is no need to provide your own. This approach allows us to deliver a consistent, flawless finish every time. One that leaves your home not only clean, but refreshed and elevated to the luxury standard that you expect. Get in touch to learn more.